and starts rowing the length of the lake, and then hikes the rest of the way through to here, to where that phone was, made a phone call, and a couple of planes went in and managed to rescue the people that had been injured. He covered about 20 kilometres, so about 15 at the start on horseback. So through here, where we are now, as you can see, the mountains are getting pretty steep on either side of us. We get a few things happen. Obviously rock slides, you can see one of them out to your right. Must have snowed in here. Well, yeah, it snowed in here last night. They were expecting more, but anyways. You get in, like this is one to our left here. That was once upon a time a rock slide. So it'll happen, and your windscreen wipers will come off, the rubber will come off around the seals on your windscreens and things. People have often come back to their vehicles after a day's skiing to find their windscreen on the ground or inside the car. They have to Kia-proof their vehicles, because otherwise the Kia will literally try and pull them to pieces. An amazing green iridescent wings and orange, beautiful kind of burnt orange underneath their wings if you get to see them fly. So when this happens, the tree roots will intertwine like a carpet, all desperately hanging on to each other for dear life. And yeah, and then over time, I guess, because it can rain here for weeks on end, literally weeks on end it can rain for, it'll dig away and slowly pry all the roots off.
The explorers believed this valley was the best chance at a clear-cut pass to Milford. Because the mountain is so steep, it's only a few hundred meters as the crow flies to the valley on the other side, and then only a few short kilometers to Milford Sound itself.
It looks a bit like Superman's North Pole lair, but it's a bit of avalanche debris from the winter that somehow managed to last until almost the end of summer. It's melting pretty fast. I think there's a bit of a shortcut through here, and it's still quite early in the day. I think we should be alright. Yeah.
Like you can imagine, as an adult, you can pick up a child's toy and throw it a decent distance, probably. A plunging avalanche would pick this bus up full of people and throw it in the same way that you'd throw a child's toy. They can be pretty dangerous.